Hey there, welcome back to Big Joe Backyard Barbecue. Today we've got a beautiful jalapeno cheddar cornbread ready start to finish in 1 hour. We've got our Big Joe 3 prepped for indirect heat with the ceramic deflector plates at the bottom, and we're sitting at 350 degrees. I'm going to drop in our cast iron pan here to start to preheat so that when the batter hits the bottom, we're going to get that nice brown crust. And we're going to let this heat for about 15-20 minutes. For our dry ingredients, we've got 2 cups of self-rising flour, 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to whisk all that together really good. Next, for our wet ingredients, we've got 4 eggs that we're going to whisk up, 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 sticks of melted butter that we let cool down a little bit. And we're going to whisk all that together. Next, we're going to pour the wet into the dry. Give that a really good mix. Next, we're going to add in about 3 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 jalapeños that we diced and removed the seeds on. And we're just going to lightly bring this together. We're not going to overly mix it. And now we've got our preheated pan. We're just going to grease it up with a little bit of butter so nothing will stick. Then we're going to add in our mixture. I'm going to top this with a little bit more shredded cheddar so we can get a nice cheesy top here. And on top of that, we're going to put in some jalapeno slices just to make everything look really nice. Be a great pop. And now we're going on for about 30 minutes. We'll come in and check on that. Okay, we ended up going for 30 minutes at 350, and then I bumped it up to 450 for 5 more minutes, so 35 total, just to get a little browning up top. And then we're going to drop a toothpick right into the center here, and that comes out clean. That means everything is nice and cooked, so we're going to get this off and let it cool off for about 15 minutes. Okay, our cornbread is ready. We got this beautiful brown crust, uniform up and down, as you can see here. The interior is crazy moist, very, very soft. So that turned out very nice. Now we're going to take our taste test. Really good. I mean, that's savory. We get some kick from the jalapeno, but incredibly soft texture. Delicious cornbread. This will go great with some barbecue that we'll definitely be doing on the Big Joe 3 back there. But this is delicious. If you got a great recipe for cornbread on the Kamado Joe, please drop in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.